that just now was a joke. Because Didi thinks I was serious about the fucking perfume issue earlier. And also, I don't respect Didi for bringing it up now. What the fuck? Because it wasn't even serious. So now you want to fucking lay here and speak over me. That's how massive doers real.
That, that translate.
I said it will be. There's no translation. You literally asked me, am I, is Didi and I joking? I'm like, yeah, we joking. Until Didi got serious about perfume. Then I'm like, now I don't fucking know what's going on. But now I'm trying to fucking get clarity from you, whether it was a joke or not, you fucking facing the wall. Now you wanna ask me what's going on between you? There's fuck all going on between me and Didi. These things I was serious about massive because of perfume.
Hey, sorry, okay.